Ready to harness the power of influencers to take your brand to the next level? Whether you're a small business or an e-commerce giant, building the right influencer marketing strategy can be your secret weapon for success. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create an influencer marketing strategy that works for your business step by step. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your efforts, this guide has you covered. Influencer marketing is more relevant today than ever before. In a world where customers crave authenticity, influencers help bridge the gap between brands and their audience by providing relatable, real-life endorsements. Instead of traditional ads, influencers create content that feels more personal and trustworthy. This connection is why more brands are turning to influencers to promote their products and reach new audiences. Influencers have built communities based on trust, which is why a single recommendation from them can be more impactful than a flashy ad campaign. For businesses, influencer marketing provides a more direct route to engage potential customers. Whether you're launching a new product or scaling your e-commerce store, influencers can amplify your message, driving traffic and sales in a way that feels authentic. The first step in any successful marketing strategy is to know your audience. Who are they? What are their interests? The better you understand your target audience, the easier it will be to find the right influencers to reach them. Consider their demographics such as age, gender, location, and income level. More importantly, think about their online behavior. What social media platforms do they use? What kind of content do they engage with? Defining your audience also helps you select the right tone and message for your campaign. Are you appealing to fitness enthusiasts, fashion lovers, or tech geeks? Your influencer marketing strategy will be much more effective if you're laser-focused on who you're trying to reach. Next, set clear goals for your influencer marketing campaign. What are you trying to achieve? Common goals include increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, generating leads, or boosting sales. Defining your goals early on will shape your entire strategy, from selecting influencers to tracking performance. Remember to make your goals SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want more traffic," you could say, "I want to increase traffic by 20% in the next 3 months." Clear goals will help you measure the success of your campaign. Your budget plays a significant role in shaping your influencer marketing strategy. How much are you willing to spend? Influencers come with different price tags depending on their following, engagement, rates, and platform. While mega influencers might demand higher fees, micro-influencers with smaller but highly engaged audiences can offer more cost-effective partnerships. When defining your budget, consider not only the cost of paying influencers, but also any additional expenses like content creation, promotions, and potential giveaways. A well-defined budget ensures you don't overspend and allows you to focus on getting the best return on investment. Now that you know your audience and budget, it's time to choose the social media platforms where your campaign will shine. Different platforms work better for different types of content. Instagram is a top choice for visual content like fashion and lifestyle, while YouTube is great for longer, more in-depth content like product reviews or tutorials. TikTok's growing popularity makes it ideal for younger audiences and short, engaging videos. Focus on where your target audience spends most of their time. If your product appeals to a wide range of people, you might decide to use multiple platforms. Just make sure the influencers you choose are strong on those platforms too. There are various types of influencer campaigns, and choosing the right one depends on your goals. If you're looking for brand awareness, a product review or unboxing video might be the way to go. For more direct sales, you could run a discount code campaign where influencers offer their followers a special promo code. Consider giveaways, sponsored posts, and brand collaborations as well. A well-planned campaign type will align with both your goals and your influencer's style of content. Keep it simple but impactful to maximize engagement. Finding the right influencers is crucial. Look for influencers whose values align with your brand and whose followers are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. You can use tools like BuzzSumo, Ninja Outreach, or social media platforms themselves to research influencers. Don't just focus on follower count. Engagement matters more. A micro-influencer with a loyal following can drive more engagement than a mega-influencer with a disengaged audience. Review their content, read comments from their followers, and see if they've worked with similar brands before. Once you've chosen your influencers, it's time to plan the launch. Work closely with the influencers to define the timeline and deliverables. Make sure everyone is on the same page regarding the campaign message, posting schedule, and platform-specific guidelines. Also, plan how you'll promote the campaign on your own channels. For example, share the influencers' content on your brand's social media accounts, use their promo codes and ads, or feature them in an email newsletter. Finally, it's important to track the success of your influencer marketing campaign. Use tools like Google Analytics or social media insights to measure key metrics such as engagement, clicks, and conversions. Did you meet the goals you set earlier? Which influencers performed best? Tracking success is key to understanding what worked and what didn't. With the right data, you can tweak future campaigns for even better results. Whether it's traffic, sales, or brand awareness, make sure you have the tools in place to measure your ROI. When running influencer marketing campaigns, a high-performing website is essential for success. As influencers drive traffic to your site through their recommendations and promotions, you need a reliable hosting service that can handle sudden spikes in visits without slowing down or crashing. And that's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. Our hosting solutions are optimized for speed, security, and scalability, ensuring that your WordPress site stays responsive even during high-traffic campaigns. Whether you're running a flash sale, launching a new product, or simply increasing brand awareness, Rapyd Cloud's high-performance infrastructure gives your site the stability it needs to convert influencer-driven traffic into sales. Click the link in the description to get started with Rapyd today. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building an effective influencer marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.